Lights are calling through the night. Can you hear the crowd alive?
Les Bleus, we are ready. From the streets beneath the stars, dreams were written on our hearts. Every battle, every scar made us stronger than we are. Blue flames rising in the sky. Never fear, we never hide. Every heartbeat, every cry brings another reason why. When the storm is closing in, we refuse to ever bend.
One more step into the light. Now our destiny begins.
Raise your voices,
Feel the thunder in your soul,
every heartbeat.
leading where the brave ones go.
We are friends, running through the fire tonight. Nothing's gonna steal our light. Every dream is shining bright. We're alive
To the sky, hear the whole world sing our name. Every moment fuels the flame. We'll remember why we came.
Let blue rise. We won't fall, we stand
To the stars, France is ours.
Every pass and every run, like the rising morning sun. Never stop until it's done. Together beating as one. Echoes fill the stadium, millions singing all along. Every child believes again, hope is where we all belong.
History is watching now. Every promise, every vow. We don't fear tomorrow's fight. This is our forever night.
Feel the heartbeat,
Feel the power,
every second.
every hour.
One more chance, one more dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. Hands together,
Side by side,
we will never
lose our pride.
We are friends, running through the fire tonight. Nothing's gonna steal our light. Every dream is shining bright.
We're alive to the sky. Hear the whole world sing our name. Every moment fuels the flame. We'll remember why we came.
Let's blues rise. When the silence fills the air,
We can feel the future there,
every shadow disappears.
washed away by all our cheers. No surrender, no goodbye. We'll keep reaching for the sky. Even if the road is long, our hearts will sing this
Hold the light, never fade. dream goes on.